So guys, as you can see, I'll be starting to pack. I have a flight tomorrow morning. I'll be going from Delhi to Mumbai first. Then Mumbai I'll go to the office for signing the contracts. And after that, I guess one day there will be a hotel stay in Mumbai. Then I'll be going to Bangladesh for joining. My ship is currently at Bangladesh, Chittagong Anchorage. So we'll go there and I'll continue to make a vlog so that you guys will also know. You guys will also get an idea what all things should be there while joining. So I'll start first. The first thing that I'm going to pack is my uniform. So I'm carrying 2 pants and 3 shirts along with the amplets. So if you are a duty officer, if you are a deck cadet, if you are an engineer, carry your amplets also. So, and a belt plus formal shoes. So this is the first thing that I'm going to keep in my bag. So the next thing that I'm going to pack is a pair of thermal inners. So usually companies also give you a pair, and but in the winter times, like when you work using these thermal wears, it gets sweaty, so you have to wash one pair. So always keep an extra. So 1 pair of thermals. So next I'm going to pack my t-shirts. So I carry a lot of t-shirts, as you can see. These are around 8 or 9 pairs of t-shirts. Then 1 hand towel. Usually these towels will be given on board, but sometimes they are not available, so it's better to carry one of your own. And I usually carry this normal very light towel, so it don't take much space in my luggage. Then my lowers, I'm carrying 5 pair of lowers, since on board, like as a duty officer, I'll be doing the watches, so I prefer to do them in these lowers, or I usually wear jeans. As a duty officer, we only have to wear the uniform while we are arriving or leaving from a port. Rest other times, the watches are usually done in casual wears. So that is why I'm carrying these many t-shirts. Next are few hoodies. So I carry 4 or 5 hoodies, since if we go to any country which is very cold, so these t-shirts won't help. So for that I'm carrying all these hoodies. Next I'm carrying 2 pair of shorts just to wear in the cabin. Then 1 jacket, like if we go on shore leave in cold countries. So for that, a pair thermal cap, so just for cold countries. Then undergarments, I carry a lot of them. Right now I'm having 8 pairs of them. So because on board you will be full of sweat after coming back, and sometimes there won't be much time to wash, so I carry 8 or 9 pair of them always. Next is socks. Socks is also, I usually carry 10 pairs, because on board if your socks will be torn off very easily, so carry good quality ones and carry at least 8 to 10 pairs of them, because if you're on board and your socks are torn, there won't be any spares for you. Like you cannot buy these items on board, so you have to wait till next port to get a new pair of these. So it's better to carry them along with you while you're going. Next, these are bandanas. I wear them beneath the helmet on my head, so like the helmet, it will not hurt my head. So these things also comes in very handy. And during COVID times, you can use these as mask also, if you are a person like me who gets irritated while wearing a mask. So as you can see, my luggage is almost full. So if you are carrying that many clothes like I am carrying, so I would suggest you to get the largest trolley size, and people prefer a medium size. I would personally suggest to get the largest one, since company will also be giving you 1 bag which will contain the PP like boiler suit, safety shoes, etc. So if you are carrying 2 bags, 2 medium sized bags, plus you will get a company bag also, it will be too much things to be carried by you. So get a big trolley bag, the largest size, and take all your belongings inside them. And the next things that I'm going to pack, so this is my moisturizer. I would suggest you to carry, like if you're going for a 6 or 9 months contract, so carry all these items accordingly, because on board if you get something then it's good, but many times you will not get any of these items. So please carry for 6 or 9 months. Then I've got my ticket to Mumbai, and my international ticket to Bangladesh will be given by the company probably tomorrow, and my contract and other documents will also be signed tomorrow. So if the company is providing you on the mail, take a printout of all the documents that the company is giving, because at the airport they check everything. So don't believe in soft copies, always take a hard copy, take a printout, and so that if anyone at the airport asks, you can always show them. So moisturizer, then laptop and my laptop's charger, then my mobile chargers. I carry a lot of them since I have got a bad habit of forgetting these chargers in the hotel rooms, so I carry 3 of them. Then earphones, this multi adapter, these are very important because you don't know what kind of adapter you will be having on board, so carry these so that at least you will be able to charge your devices. Then I've got my trimmer in this, so carry it. Then toothbrush, toothpaste accordingly for 6 months, face wash, powder, any medications that you have, hard disk. Then I carry around $600 with me, and that too I divide them in 3 different parts. One I keep in my check-in luggage, one in my hand luggage, and the remaining dollars in my purse, so that in case if one gets misplaced, I'll have few dollars with me. So accordingly you can carry. Then a small pocket diary, since when you will be going on board, your reliever will be telling you stuff, so it's very difficult. Already the vessel came inside the port, there are cargo operations going. You will not have time to arrange for a diary. These diaries are there available on board, but once at the time of taking over, handing over, already time is very less, so carry one with you. Then I've got these Rakhis since Raksha Bandhan is coming and I'll be on board, so my sisters have given me this. Then I'm carrying my earphones, oil, hair oil, trimmer, a pen drive, and a torchlight. Carry a good quality torchlight, since the torches available on board are of very bad quality, so carry a good quality USB charging one. Then a pair of Crocs. Don't carry slippers, since slippers you will not be able to go in them in the mess rooms or in the bridge or engine room, so carry a pair of Crocs, they will look nice. Then I've got my jeans and t-shirt that I'll be wearing for the flight tomorrow, and I've got one shirt. Since I'll be going to the office, I'll wear this shirt. Else if you're not going to the office, you're directly going for your flights, you don't need to carry any formals with you. And then this is my handbag, so I'm carrying my documents in this. I've already made it a video of what all documents that you need to carry on board, so if you want to check it out, you can check it. And don't forget any documents, since if you forget anything, there are chances that you will not be able to join. So carry all these. And after this, I would suggest you to carry 2 phones. Like I've got one primary phone and one secondary phone also, which I've got a different WhatsApp number registered. So sometimes it happens that your phone gets damaged while you are on board, so it becomes very difficult to contact your home. So if you have a different phone, at least you will be able to use that. You can contact your home from that. Else you will be running to other crew members ki please provide me your phone, I need to make a call at my home. So carry that accordingly. And that's it. That's all the stuff that you will be needing for your 9 months contract or 6 months contract. So if you like this video, I'll be sharing much more videos of the ship, so you can subscribe to the channel and more videos will be coming very soon.